I'm by name Uchechukwu from IFRC residing at Iyoka near the Niger coast. I'm thanking the Red Cross for giving us help when there is flood. And this is, you can see, this is the flood. When the flood rises, it brings particles from the Niger to everywhere that if we drink the water, we can't sustain fire. We begin to have some diarrheas, bite by the water is polluted. And with the help of the Red Cross, they have given us a tablet of molecular called Aquatabs, and we use it to put in the water and drink baths regularly so that we don't have any problem again. So I am now thanking the Red Cross Society for what they are doing worldwide for us, and God help them and bless them in Jesus' name, as I said. Thank you.